Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about something big, the most powerful AI tool, Google Gemini. If you heard about Gemini and wonder what is it, or how does it work, or how can you use it, just stick around, whether you are Android user or just curious about the future of AI. Let's jump in. What is Google Gemini? Google Gemini is Google family of advanced AI models. It is designed to be super smart, super fast, and very flexible. Gemini isn't just a chatbot. It is a multi-model AI, which means it can understand and work with text, images, code, audio, and even video. It can read your emails, look at a photo, or answer your questions, generate content, write code, and even help with math or spreadsheets. Why is Gemini a big deal? It is smart. Gemini can answer complex questions, solve math problems, help write essays, or debug code. It is a multimodal. It can understand images and text together. Show it a photo of your homework and ask for help. It can understand both. It is everywhere. Gemini is already being added into Android phones, Google Search, Chrome, and even Google Workspace, like Gmail and Docs. Gemini, it isn't just a product. It's becoming a core part of Google's entire ecosystem. If you have a question related to Gemini, just go to Gemini forum and type your question.